สวัสดีค่ะ Hello this is แกงส้ม Welcome to Mindful Minute by Insight Mindfulness Leadership Institute. Today our life moves faster and faster. We think and think about the past, worrying about the future. What would I do? Who will be successful? Who should I date? What should I eat? So many things. Our mind, like a monkey, wandering around, never stop. Yes. So, based on the study of Harvard, they say that our mind wander almost 50% of the time. Good news? We can train our monkey mind to be a tame elephant. Based on neuroplasticity, what we think, do, pay attention to change the structure of our brain so we can become more focused, less stressed, and better use of our mental capability by mind training. How about let's do a mini practice together. Breathing in. I know I'm breathing in. Breathing out. I know I'm breathing out. In, out. Relax our body. In, out. And ask ourselves what's important